Well, we just slipped and almost died, so that's really fun. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, you just clicked on this video. Don't click out of it, or else I swear I'll be sad. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's literally snowing out here. Oh my gosh, it is literally so freaking cold out here. I think whenever I checked the temperature, it was like 39 degrees out here, and 39 degrees is super cold. The thing that's making it way worse is the wind. I'm really hoping that no snow's getting on the GoPro, because if that's happening, then it's gonna be like my previous video and I'm gonna have all the freaking blurriness on my camera. Well, I'm stopped here at the stoplight though. Like I just wanted to make this video to kind of show that it is possible to ride in these conditions, but boy does it freaking suck. My fingers, oh man, I can barely feel my fingers right now, to be honest. It's pretty horrible. I'm getting a lot of weird looks by the people too, driving by in cars there. I think they think I'm crazy, which, I mean, you know, I am a little bit freaking crazy. It's impossible to warm up your tires in this, so like I'm slipping and sliding everywhere. I'd be surprised if I don't wreck. Make a nice thumbnail, nice title: dumbass wrecks in snow. Who would have guessed? I feel like every single one of my videos I'm on this road, but it's a commonly traveled road for me, so like I have to be on this road. Now I always start my videos like as soon as I start riding, so sorry that the scenery doesn't really change that often. Another huge reason that I keep riding this road is because it gets treated a lot better with salt, and there's a lot less chance of there being ice on this road. So if I took the bike out on some of these like nice back curvy roads, I'd probably be kind of screwed. The wind chill today is just horrible, because, you know, like I step outside and I'm in like all this gear. I got 3 layers of shirts, a jacket, and then of course the helmet, like just standing there, you don't think it's cold out at all, and then you start going 50-55 miles an hour and it's just like you're a frozen icicle. I messaged one of my buddies on Instagram that does motovlogging out of California. It's actually a Scouts Out. You can find him on YouTube. I'll put a little thing right here, link or something, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put it right here, but he's based in California, so I sent him a video and I was like, yo dude, like appreciate what you have in California, because I'm about to have to go out in 38, 39 degree weather while there's snow literally falling from the sky and try to record a motovlog. I would literally do anything for some sun right now. Can I just have a little bit of sun? But next week it's gonna be 52. There's supposed to be one day of next week that's gonna be 52 degrees. And you bet your bottom dollar that your boy's gonna be out here trying to get as much content filmed on that day as he can. I do have a little bit of news though today. I don't know if you guys follow Ruroc, the helmet company. They made the Atlas 3.0 is their most recent one. However, they are coming out with the Atlas 4.0. Now, I think it was my last video before, I was kind of dogging on them a little bit, thinking that they send out helmets and whatnot and pay for reviews. So what I'm actually going to do is they're having a US demo day in Las Vegas on February 5th for their new Atlas 4.0 helmet. I'm going to go out there flying from good old West Bygod, Virginia to Las Vegas, and I'm actually going to their demo presentation of the new Atlas 4.0. So I'm freaking super stoked about that. It's gonna be sick. First time I've ever flown, first time going that far from West Virginia ever. Like the places we go, like if you ask any West Virginian where they vacation, they usually either say Myrtle Beach or Daytona Beach in Florida. So going all the way to Las Vegas is kind of a big deal for me, because I've never been that far away from home. So yeah, I'm going to Las Vegas. Can't freaking wait. I've never been there, and I really love playing blackjack, so there goes my entire savings account. All that footage from Las Vegas should be uploaded the following Tuesday from the event. So the event's gonna be on Saturday the 5th. I should have a video up on what? That's like Tuesday the 9th, I think? 8th. Tuesday the 8th, I think. So I should have all that footage up on Tuesday the 8th. Look at all that snow over there. This is awful. There's snow everywhere. What am I kidding? So technically 32 degrees is freezing, and if it's 39, technically there shouldn't be anything frozen. However, I would say the ground is a different temperature than the air temperature, and it's been getting like into the single digits at nighttime. So the chances of there being black ice or just any ice in general on the road is probably pretty high. So I'm not gonna try to take it too crazy. No wheelies, or as I call them, accidental pop-ups, and no dragging knee today, even though I don't know how to do that. Fix my mirror. I swear to God, every video I have to fix my mirror. My mirrors are always messed up. Man, some of these freaking potholes in this day. If there was one thing in my life I could change, it would be to be shorter. Then I could fit on a bike better. This looks ice. Wow, that looked like straight ice. So this fun story, this self-storage, I had a buddy that was moving, and this is where like all of his stuff was. And yeah, I never want to help anybody move again, because that was horrible. Dude had like so much stuff. I mean, if he ever called me to help him again, of course I would totally help him. I'm just being a crybaby and being exaggeratory. Is that a word? Exaggeratory? Exaggerative? I don't know. I'm just being exaggerative. But dang, dude, my boy had so much stuff, bro. Like my back was broke. I'm kind of just exploring right now. I haven't taken this road. I don't really know where it goes. It's right next to the interstate though, so that's cool. Look at this though. It's just like a perfect straight stretch. This is gonna be awesome in the summertime. I mean, like for just like speed and stuff. Now for fun riding, I won't be taking this road. I've been actually taking the car around and finding like really nice, fun, curvy roads to take the bike on. I don't know what this road turns into. Where am I? Somebody help! Whoa. S-curve. That sign, fun fact, that's what your poop is supposed to look like. Okay, a little bit of liquid on the road. Okay, I don't like it. Oh, wait. I kind of like this turn here. Look at that. This should be fun to hit. Obviously, it won't be fun to hit right now because I'll lose traction so fast it's not even funny. Little gravel right there. We'll have to watch out for. Oh, wait, I know what road I'm on now. I mean, I've never been on it, but I know what road I'm on now. We are going to go into Sheets and warm these poor little hands up. Well, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie, boys. I really don't feel like hitting heck on this. It's so cold. Back on these icy, sleety, snowy roads. This is kind of a back road too, so yeah, you can definitely tell that this road is a lot less maintained than the road that we were just on. We'll be back on that road. This road connects to it. Woo! Oh my god, if you guys can hear the song that's playing right now, but too bad you can't, so you guys are gonna watch me dance to some non-copyrighted music right here. This music's giving me the magical power to ride in the cold. Well, we just slid right there. That was really fun. Why am I doing this? This is not smart. What if we just drove into that ice and salt and just ramped that shit? That would be sick. It's hard to get it to pop up on these icy roads because it's so wet. My back tire slips because it's so cold. I don't know what it is, but I feel like the temperature went up like 10 degrees. I feel great right now. So you can have a little bit of fun in the snow. It's like we're going through the school zone right now. However, this is a perfect moment to end the video while we're stuck here in traffic. So guys, I appreciate you all watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you show that by hitting the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe. It costs nothing. It costs you literally $0 to subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to reach out to me, make sure you put it down in the comment section and below. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, my people.